G'day folks, and welcome to the next episode of the 4x4 Garage. We're talking to George Davies from Narva, Australia about some exciting new LED lights they've got. G'day George, welcome to the garage.
G'day mate, good to see you.
Mate, now we've known Narva light product for a long time now. Light bars, halogen lights, all sorts of different product. The Ultima 215 LEDs. What's new and exciting about this one?
Well, I think, Matt, the thing is that Narva's been in lighting for a very, very long time, and I think now we're looking at the rollout of LED and how it's changing the way lighting's done. And so this product's utilising LED as a light source and giving us what we think is probably one of the best aftermarket driving lights on the market.
So what's the benefit of LED lights for the four-wheel driver?
Well, I think we've looked very carefully at how we can use that LED as a technology to really develop the perfect driving light. And we've now used the latest Cree XPG2 chips, and that means that we're able to get 165 watts of light, 10,500 lumens. And what that means to the actual driver is that when they're getting to their destination, they've got good long penetration down the roads. But of course, when they get off-road, they get that nice wide spread of light that everyone's come to know and love about LED. And that obviously helps you illuminate the side of the road and the verges to prevent animal strikes and those sorts of things.
And there's plenty of LED lights out there on the market, but one of the great things about your product is it's designed and engineered right here in Melbourne.
Yeah, well, I think that's the thing that makes our product stand out from the competitors. So our product is designed in-house. We have our own engineers and designers, and we make sure that the product's fit for the Australian marketplace. We make sure that anyone who buys our product has a company that stands behind it and can be guaranteed of some long-lasting driving lights that are going to give them great performance. Now,
part of that Australian engineering is you've got that amazing light lab down at your factory there. We're going to go down there and have a look at that. Let's go and check it out.
Hi, I'm Joe Banks from Narva. I'm the Product Development Manager here, and today I'm going to show you some of the testing we're doing on a driving light we're developing here, the Narva 215 LED driving light. Before you torture it, we torture it as best we can to ensure you're not going to have any issues. And we have a number of pieces of equipment here to do that. We have a submersion tank over here, and we have a rain chamber here, which is what we're going to show you some of the testing we do today. In this particular test, we're doing it in an unpowered state. Set the spray arms up, depending on the actual type of test you're doing. And what you'll see here is the unit is sprayed from all angles by the spray bar and by all directions as the product spins around on the turntable. Next, we'll give it a dunk in a submersion tank where we power the lamp and submerge it in a tank of water here. Same sort of effect you get at a river crossing. So this lamp is actually a lamp with a breather, so rather than being entirely sealed, it's sealed but with a Gore-Tex breather vent on the back, which allows the air pressure inside the lamp to balance, but once submerged, the vent actually locks and seals against any water coming in or out. So the last piece of equipment we have here is our temperature and humidity oven. So this piece of equipment is very, very useful for testing paint finishes, glues, resins and plastics, because it allows us to have a controlled temperature and humidity in the chamber here. So rather than just temperature, we have humidity as well. So after running through this test here, along with the other ones, we end up with a knowledge that we know the product is going to survive in the real world, in the harsh conditions it's actually going to see here, because we've been able to recreate in the lab here conditions equal to or more severe than you're actually going to see in the real world. We're here in the Narva Light Lab and we're testing our brand new 215 LED driving lamp. In this particular case, we've got it set up to run on the 25-metre photocell, which is through this slot down the end of the wall here. We also have a 5-metre photocell here for measuring signal lamps. We're able to work out how far the beam is going to go down the road and how wide the beam is. You can also see up here on the screen, we can also take a snapshot of the output of the light as it is at the moment.
So George, we've really seen how you put these lights through a real torture test, through the dust test, the water test, the heat, and then in the lab to get them all set up. Mate, pretty exciting. We're really keen to see them on the front of a vehicle.
Yeah, mate, we're pretty excited about this product. It's a great product and I think a lot of people are going to love having it on the front of their car.
Good stuff, mate. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Matt.
Cheers.